of communication. What is communication? Communication is the process of sending and receiving message from one person to another. There are two types of communication.
Mass communication and personal communication.
Personal communication is communication between sending and receiving.
What is mass communication? It is means of conveying messages to a large number of people at the same time.
Example of personal communication is mobile, computer and letterbox.
Mass communication example is radio, newspaper and television, etc. Thank you.
My name is Pavani Singh. I study in 5th standard. Today is I see your model. This is our model. My model name is hydraulic JCB. Hydraulic press is used in many machine works. With the help of two syringes, we make a hydraulic press. We make a hydraulic JCB. Hydraulic press is used in many machine work like JCB and machine works.
Have a life का मतलब क्या है? ये living का नाम लेगा। मैं living का नाम लेगा।
Thank you, ma'am.
There are many types of houses.
Good morning, ma'am. I am Dilpreet from 5th standard.
I am Jaskir from 4th first standard.
We are the student of Bridge Aljinder DAV Center Public School, Jakhal Mandi. Our model on types of houses. There are many types of houses. First tent house, second igloo, third caves, fourth caravan, fifth cottage, sixth houseboat, seventh multi-story building, eighth flat house. First tent house. A tent house is a house made of short of fabric. It is mostly made by needy people. This is igloo house. An igloo house is a place to people stay warm and dry. It is made by blocks of snow placed on the top of igloo. This is caves. It is in the caves animals lives. In earlier time people live in caves. Now it is an tourist place. This is caravan. Caravan is moved from one place to another easily. It has all the facilities like a house. This is a cottage. The way to make it very easy, for this we need wet soil and grass. It's fine to live. This is houseboat. It runs in water. It has all the facilities like a house. That is why it is called a houseboat. This is multi-story building. It has 2 rooms, 1 kitchen and 1 study room, 2 bedrooms. This is flat house. It has electricity and water resource and other resources. We can connect with our neighbors and other people easily. Thank you. Have a nice day.
To all of you, I am Manch from 5th standard. This model is on volcano. A volcano is defined as an opening in the earth crust through which lava, ash and gas erupt. Volcanoes are very dangerous. Volcano can grow quickly. The danger area around a volcano covers about 20 mile radius. It is a hole in the earth from which lava, molten rock and gas erupt.
पानी डालो
Once the lava has, this is magma. Once the lava has cooled, it will turn into a solid rock. This is called magma. Thanks.
Morning ma'am, welcome to our exhibition. My name is Tanvi.
My name is Ayushi. We are the student of 5th standard.
Today we are here with the model on rotation, revolution.
Rotation. The movement on the earth. The movement on the earth on axis from west to east, called day and night. It takes 24 hours to complete one rotation.
Revolution. The movement of the earth on its fixed path to 364 days for one rotation. It causes change in season. This movement is called orbit. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning ma'am. My name is Harjot Singh. I am from 5th standard from BLJ DAV Public School. This is my model on traffic lights. We have 3 lights: red light, yellow light, green light. When red light glow, it indicates us to stop. When yellow light glow, it indicates us to start. When green light, it indicates us to move. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. This is my model on harvester. The modern harvester and simple harvester designed to harvest the crop. The crops harvested by harvested are wheat, rice, oats, etc.
Good. You speak.
This is my model on working of lungs. There are two types of lungs, right lung and left lung. Right lung is larger than left lung. When we exhale, our lungs exhale. Our lungs contract. When we inhale, our lungs expand.
थोड़ा सा हवा लीक हो रही है इसकी वजह से ना.
Yes, sir.
Good. Very good. Very good.
I am Navraj Singh from 5th standard from the DAV Public School, Jakhal Mandi. This is my model on solar energy. Solar energy is a renewable sources of energy. This is a solar panel. This converts sunlight into electricity.
Good morning, ma'am. This is our model on Indian states and capitals.
Indian
India is my country. It is
democratic country.
It is called as Bharat and it's the largest country in the world, which has 28 states and 8 union territories. Its capital is New Delhi. It has Andaman Island in west and Andaman Islands in
east, Lakshadweep Island in west.
मच लगा
हिमाचल प्रदेश, केरला, गोवा.
अब गलत लगाने से नहीं होगा.
Good morning everyone. My name is Ankisha.
My name is Viransh.
My name is Jashan.
We are the student of 5th standard from BLG DAV Public School.
This is model on mapping India. India is in Asia continent.
The Prime Minister of India is Mr. Narendra Modi. The President of India is Mrs. Draupadi Murmu.
India has 28 states. The capital of India is New Delhi. India has 7 neighbors like Pakistan, Bhutan, etc.
Thank you. Good morning everyone. My name is Samreed.
I am Gulnoor. I am Jasmine.
We are the student of 4th standard from BLJ DAV Center Public School, Jakhal.
Our model on rural and urban transport.
Our people move from one place to another.
Rural transport mostly seen in the rural areas in vehicles, for example, truck, motorcycle, etc.
The means of transport in urban area different from rural area. For example, motorbike, cars, etc.
Means of transport make our life easy and comfortable.
Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am. I am Japkir from 5th standard.
I am Som from 5th standard.
Today's my model on solar system. Our solar system at 1 sun and 8 planet and satellite make our solar system.
Our solar system have 8 planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune.
Mercury is the smallest planet in our solar system. Venus is the hottest planet in our solar system. Earth is called blue planet. Earth is the only planet where life exists due to atmosphere, air and water. Earth is called lucky planet. Mars is the red planet in our solar system.
Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. Saturn has beautiful rings on it that made up of many gases. Uranus is a gaseous planet and Neptune is the farthest planet from the sun.
This is our solar system. Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Zayan from 3rd standard. My model is on uses of plant. We get pulses, spices, rubber, wood, vegetables and fruit, oxygen, cotton, paper, etc. So save trees and save life. Thank you. Have a nice day.